Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we talk about a very common problem.
I can understand, but I can't speak.
Many learners feel this.
Yes, many people understand English, but they cannot speak.
Don't worry, this is normal.
Yes, it is very normal.
Today, we will practice speaking step by step.
Simple English, slow and clear.
Tom, can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English.
Repeat.
I can understand English.
Can you speak English well?
No, I can't speak well.
Repeat.
I can't speak well.
This is the problem.
Yes, I understand, but I don't speak.
Why is speaking difficult?
I feel shy.
Repeat.
I feel shy.
Anything else?
I am afraid of mistakes.
Repeat.
I am afraid of mistakes.
Very common.
Yes.
First rule, speak even with mistakes.
Speak even with mistakes.
Repeat.
Speak even with mistakes.
Good. Now, let's start with simple sentences.
Okay.
Say, I speak English.
I speak English.
Again.
I speak English.
Good. Say, I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
Repeat.
I want to speak English.
Excellent. Now, question and answer.
Practice time.
Do you speak English every day?
No, I don't speak every day.
Repeat.
I don't speak every day.
Good. You need practice.
Yes, I need practice.
Repeat.
I need practice.
Good. Now, small steps.
Step by step.
Step 1. Speak alone.
Speak alone.
Repeat.
Speak alone.
Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself.
Example. I am at home.
I am at home.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I sit and relax.
I sit and relax.
Good. Step 2. Repeat after audio.
Repeat after audio.
Repeat.
Repeat after audio.
Listen and speak.
Listen and speak.
Good. Step 3. Use simple words.
Use simple words.
Don't use difficult words.
Don't use difficult words.
Repeat.
Don't use difficult words.
Good. Now, let's practice daily sentences.
Okay.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come home.
I come home.
I sleep at 10.
I sleep at 10.
Excellent. Now, question practice.
Let's do it.
What do you do every day?
I work and study.
Repeat.
I work and study.
Do you speak English every day?
I try to speak every day.
Repeat.
I try to speak every day.
Good. Now let's practice thinking in English.
Important skill.
Look around you.
Look around me.
Say what you see.
Say what I see.
Example. I see a table.
I see a table.
I see a phone.
I see a phone.
I see a chair.
I see a chair.
Good. This helps speaking.
Yes, it helps speaking.
Now, let's practice short conversations.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Repeat all.
I am learning English.
Good. Now, longer speaking.
I try.
Tell me about your day.
I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I sleep.
Very good.
Simple but good.
Yes, simple is good. Now, confidence.
Important.
Say, I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Again.
I can speak English.
Strong voice.
I can speak English.
Excellent. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Repeat.
Mistakes are okay.
Good. Now, let's practice more sentences.
Okay.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I speak slowly.
I speak slowly.
I learn new words.
I learn new words.
Excellent. Now let's do a mini speaking exercise.
Let's do it.
Say 3 sentences about your day.
I wake up early, I work, I relax.
Good. Say 3 sentences about your English.
I understand English, I practice English, I want to speak English.
Very good. Now let's repeat key ideas.
Review.
Speak every day.
Speak every day.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Use simple words.
Use simple words.
Practice again and again.
Practice again and again.
Excellent. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak now.
I can understand.
I want to speak.
I practice.
I improve.
Great job. Keep going.
Step by step.
Great. Let's continue our speaking practice.
Yes, I want to speak more and feel confident.
Remember, speaking is a skill.
Yes, like any skill, we need practice.
Tom, when do you practice speaking?
I practice in the evening.
Repeat.
I practice in the evening.
Do you practice every day?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Try to practice every day.
I will try.
Good. Now let's talk about fear again.
Many learners feel fear.
What are you afraid of?
I am afraid of making mistakes.
Repeat.
I am afraid of making mistakes.
Do people laugh at you?
No, people don't laugh.
Repeat.
People don't laugh.
Most people want to help you.
Yes, that is true.
So don't be afraid.
I will not be afraid.
Good. Now let's practice speaking in real situations.
Real life English.
You meet a new person.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Repeat.
Nice to meet you.
Good. Now at a cafe.
Okay.
Hello, I would like coffee.
I would like coffee.
Small or large?
Small, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Good. Now at work.
Important.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Yes, I can help you.
Repeat.
I can help you.
Good. Now let's talk about practice methods.
How can I improve?
Method 1. Speak with a partner.
Speak with a partner.
Method 2. Record your voice.
Record my voice.
Method 3. Repeat after podcasts.
Repeat after podcasts.
Repeat.
Repeat after podcasts.
Good. Now let's practice longer speaking again.
I will try.
Tell me about your English journey.
I started learning English. I understand more now. I want to speak better.
Very good. Now add more.
I practice every day. I listen to podcasts. I try to speak.
Excellent. Now let's build confidence again.
Yes.
Say, I am improving.
I am improving.
Say, I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
Repeat.
I am getting better every day.
Good. Now let's do shadowing.
What is shadowing?
You listen and repeat at the same time.
Okay.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I try again and again.
I try again and again.
Excellent. Now let's practice thinking fast.
Fast thinking.
I say a word, you make a sentence.
Okay.
Morning.
I wake up in the morning.
Work.
I go to work every day.
Food.
I eat food every day.
Very good. Now let's practice describing.
Okay.
Describe your room.
My room is small. I have a bed and a table. I have a phone.
Good. Describe your day.
I wake up, I work, I relax, I sleep.
Excellent. Now let's talk about mistakes again.
Okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Repeat.
Mistakes help me learn.
Don't stop speaking,
Don't stop speaking,
even if it is not perfect.
even if it is not perfect.
Good. Now let's do a long speaking practice.
I am ready.
Talk about your day in 5 sentences.
I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I relax.
Very good. Now 5 sentences about learning English.
I learn English every day. I listen to podcasts. I practice speaking. I repeat sentences. I want to improve.
Excellent. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak now.
I understand English.
I want to speak English.
I practice every day.
I am improving.
I am not afraid. Great job. Keep practicing every day.
Speak more, think less.
Use simple sentences.
Simple is good.
Now, final motivation.
Important.
You can speak English.
I can speak English.
You just need practice.
You just need practice.
Step by step,
Step by step.
every day,
Every day.
you will improve.
You will improve.
Great. Let's continue and finish our speaking lesson.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
That's good. Confidence is very important.
Yes, I want to speak without fear.
Now let's practice real-life speaking again.
Okay,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I am learning English today.
Great. Keep going.
Thank you.
Repeat.
I am learning English today.
Good. Now let's practice speaking longer.
I will try.
Tell me about your day in more detail.
I wake up early, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I talk with people, I come home, I relax and study English.
Very good.
I can speak more now,
Yes, you can.
step by step.
Now let's talk about daily speaking practice.
Okay,
When you are alone, speak English.
speak English when I am alone.
When you walk, speak English.
Speak English when I walk.
When you think in English.
Think in English.
Repeat.
Think in English.
Good. Now let's practice confidence again.
Important.
Say, I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
Say, I speak every day.
I speak every day.
Say, I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Excellent. Now let's do one final long speaking practice.
I am ready.
Talk about your English learning.
I learn English every day. I listen to podcasts. I understand many words. I try to speak. I am not afraid. I make mistakes, but I continue. I practice every day and I am improving.
That is very good.
Thank you.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak now.
I understand English.
I want to speak.
I practice every day.
I am improving.
I am not afraid. Great job. Now, final review.
Review time.
Speak every day.
Speak every day. Good.
First question. What did you do this weekend?
What did you do this weekend?
Yes. Listen again. What did you do this weekend?
What did you do this weekend?
Good. When we talk about the weekend, we use the past.
The past.
Yes. Yesterday. Last weekend.
Last weekend.
Listen. I say, I stayed at home.
I stayed at home.
Stayed. Stayed.
Stayed.
Stay becomes stayed in the past.
Stayed.
Very good. Now I ask you, what did you do last weekend?
I stayed at home.
Good answer. You can also say, I watched TV.
I watched TV.
Watched.
Watched.
Watch becomes watched.
Watched TV.
Excellent. Another example. I visited my friend.
I visited my friend.
Visited.
Visited.
Visit becomes visited.
I visited my friend.
Very good. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I stayed at home.
I stayed at home.
I watched TV.
I watched TV.
I visited my friend.
I visited my friend.
Great job. Now more weekend activities.
Activities.
Yes, things you do.
Okay.
I played football.
I played football.
Played.
Played.
Play becomes played.
Played football.
Good. I cleaned my room.
I cleaned my room.
Cleaned.
Cleaned.
I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner.
Cooked.
Cooked.
Very good. Now, small practice.
Yes.
I say the present, you say the past.
Okay.
Play,
Played.
watch,
Watched.
visit,
Visited.
clean,
Cleaned.
cook.
Cooked.
Excellent. Now let's make full sentences.
Full sentences.
I played football with my friends.
I played football with my friends.
I watched a movie.
I watched a movie.
I visited my grandmother.
I visited my grandmother.
Good. Now I ask you, what did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I played football.
Very good. What did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home.
Perfect. Now let's add time words.
Time words.
In the morning,
In the morning.
in the afternoon,
In the afternoon.
in the evening.
In the evening.
Good. Listen. On Saturday morning, I cleaned my room.
On Saturday morning, I cleaned my room.
In the afternoon, I visited my friend.
In the afternoon, I visited my friend.
In the evening, I watched TV.
In the evening, I watched TV.
Excellent. Now listener practice.
Yes, you speak now.
Say, on Saturday, I.
Say your sentence.
In the morning, I.
Say your sentence.
In the evening, I.
Say your sentence.
Very good. Now let's learn a question.
Question.
Did you have a good weekend?
Did you have a good weekend?
Good.
What is the answer?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Or, no, I did not.
No, I did not.
Let's practice. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
Again, did you have a good weekend?
No, I did not.
Very good. Now, full conversation practice.
Okay.
Hi, Tom. How was your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
I played football and watched TV.
Did you visit your family?
Yes, I did. I visited my parents.
That's nice.
How about you?
I stayed at home and cooked dinner.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Now, let's repeat that conversation slowly.
Slowly.
How was your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
I played football.
Very good. Now remember,
Remember.
stay becomes stayed.
Stayed.
Watch becomes watched.
Watched.
Play becomes played.
Played.
Visit becomes visited.
Visited.
Clean becomes cleaned.
Cleaned.
Cook becomes cooked.
Cooked.
Excellent work. Now, short review.
Review time.
To talk about your weekend, use past tense.
Past tense.
Say, I stayed at home.
I stayed at home.
I watched TV.
I watched TV.
I visited my friend.
I visited my friend.
Ask, what did you do?
What did you do?
Answer, I played football.
I played football.
Very good. You did amazing today.
I feel happy.
Practice every day. Talk about your weekend every week.
Every week.
If you like this lesson, please subscribe to Happy English.
Yes, subscribe to Happy English.
Share this lesson with your friends.
Share with your friends.
Let's learn English together.
Together.
See you next time.
Bye.